everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some sneak peeks of the scrapdivadesigns January 2026 release. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting January 9th, 2026 and get a 10% discount using my discount code prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. First up, we have these A2 bow sets, and there's three sizes. Currently, you're seeing here is the medium and the large size. I have the smaller size bows on some other projects that I'm going to show to you later on. So here is the first one, and it includes this piece here too that I'm later going to use on the It's going to be used on the 3D bakery box. I think it's going to look so cool on it. And I'm going to be using a Maggie Holmes collection. And I'm just so excited. I just can't wait to show you that one. I'm still making that box. So yeah, and in here I've put some speckled gold watercolor on the bow. And here's a pink one that I did. And here's a medium-sized one. So let's compare the sizes. This is the larger one, this is the medium one, and let's show you the smaller one. I have this project here, which is the double ruffle set. So there's a large and a small one. Here's the smaller one, and here's the larger one. So I'm gonna show you, here's the smaller bow. I'm gonna show you the difference in sizes. So this is the medium, and then this is the large. So small, medium, and large. They're really pretty. So this double ruffle set, you can do it many ways of folding the ruffles. I like to fold the ruffles like this. It's like kind of popping out like this. The back looks like this. And it comes with the middle piece, layering piece in the middle. You don't necessarily have to use it if you just like a pattern like this that you want to show. And also on the set is this XOXO Border set. So it comes with the layering piece. So what I did was I used some gold for the bottom part here, and the layering piece is the X and then heart, X, heart. So yeah, so the acetate, the polka dot acetate is on top of the gold piece, if you can see. It looks really cool. And I've added some chain to this border, this ruffle. And there's some charms at the end here. There's like a Cupid, angel playing the flute, and then we have a lock, a heart lock, and a key to open the heart lock. And also on this double ruffle is this heart light bulb, also part of this month's release. This heart light bulb has 3 different styles, and I'll show you another style. So this one here, it has this filament. You can make this look like a ribbon on top. And so this one is the full heart with the screw, the bulb screw on top. And then here's a second style, which is like an ornament. And the third style is this one here. The smaller ruffle is this heart that's upside down with the screw on top. So yeah, and here's another one of those small bulbs, and then this XOXO layering piece, which is really cool. This XOXO, oops, sorry. This XOXO border also comes with this heart here. This border heart with the inside stitching, double stitching. It's really pretty. And this ruffle, I added some charms. This one has a heart that says love on it. And then we have a pink rose and also another angel, Cupid, playing the flute as well. So yeah, and here we have an angel here. And this paper collection is, I think, Magic Love by Prima Marketing. It's a very old collection. And yeah, I just love this collection a lot. So this is the smaller ruffle. The back looks like this. And then we have the bigger ruffle here. And I'm gonna glue this XOXO down. And yeah, it looks so cool. Let's move on to the next project that I've made. The next project are these discoball cherries. And I made two of them. One in red, one in pink. Here's one of them. It's so cool. I didn't take out all of the pieces out. You could take them all out. I just thought it looks cool like this. And I folded the leaves, and it comes with this, it comes with everything you see here, the ribbon and then the leaves and this layering piece at the back, and this really cute hedgehog with a butterfly on its head that landed on its head, and then it says picking you always. So pretty. And this one says let your heart soar, and a butterfly also landed on this cute dog's head. And then this dog has a cherry on its collar. And this collection is, I think it's called Cherry Sweet collection from Prima Marketing as well. Let's move on to the next project. The next project I have here, this one is called the, let's see what this one is called. This one is called the Valentine treat holder pouch. And it comes with this little heart ruffle and the base of it that's stitched. It's really nice looking. And this paper collection is from the scrapdivadesigns Love Struck. That's what it's called. I'll put the link if you're interested. And this pattern paper is really cool. It has these conversation hearts. And also Scrap Diva has conversation heart dies as well. And it has these wordings. So whatever pictures you see, she has this die. And I'll put a link to it if you're interested in these dies, these conversation heart dies. It's really cool. And so it comes, this die set also comes with these arrows. It has two different styles, as you can see here. And it comes with this XOXO lettering. I made it so that you can remove it from the pouch like this. So you can make different embellishments and stick them on different projects. And yeah, I can make so many of these. So I just put a Velcro here just to demonstrate that this heart, you can embellish it with many other projects. And it comes with this really cool bow, this different style bow here. And this is like a glitter foam. And here's the pocket in here. And you can flip this lid too, as you can see. And it comes with, oh, the bow's coming off. I need to glue it more in place. So it comes with these little tags. This one is like a heart shape and it has a hole in there, and so I added a ribbon on here. You can write little messages and stick them around here, or just put them here as like to or from, you know, little memos or notes. And it also comes with this little tag here. And what I put in here is for the present, I put these hairpins. It's so cool. This is like the hairpin I got from Omomo, this Japanese $2 store. And yeah, it's so cool. This treat, this treat holder pouch is like really neat. So yeah, that's this one. And finally I have this one here. Is so cute and adorable, and it's kind of funny too. In a way. It's also using scrapdivadesigns Love Struck paper collection. It's called this one is called 3D kissingbooth box, and it's like super cute. It comes with this banner here, and I've added some lips, and this bow is the smaller one of this bow. As you can see, I added it on to the corners here, and it comes with the sporting kissing booth with the shadow at the bottom. And I love how this lady, she's wearing a sweater that has lips on it, and then she has heart sunglasses, and then here's her boyfriend, and I've added some glasses onto his face as well. So this comes from the ephemera sets, this sunglasses. It had a little like ear holder for the sunglasses. I cut it and then I glued the sunglasses onto his face, and it's so adorable. And here's another ephemera piece that I stuck on here. It's just so it goes with this theme so well, like this whole paper collection. And I'll put the link. And here's the lips paper from the Love Struck Scrap Diva Designs Love Struck collection, paper collection. And yeah, you can put lots of different bottles in here with different things. So here's some like heart sequins. I've added some beads here and some pearls, and you can gift that to like a snail mail or happy mail kind of yeah, like you could gift this and have all these different embellishments in there as well. So I just thought this was so adorable. It's a really nice gift. So I have more projects to share with you. I'm still currently making more, and there's a lot coming up for this Valentine's release. So stay tuned. And I'm working on the 3D bakery box currently, and I can't wait to show you that one. It has like so many, I think you could even put like real treats in there, like cookies, maybe like mini muffins inside. So but I'm just gonna probably do like paper embellishments, like baking items in there. So I'm super excited to show you. And yeah, so I'll put all the links to where you can get all these projects once it becomes available on January 9th. And my discount code for 10% off is prisgemicinc, and I'll also put that in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!